So the Green Youth Farm is a summer paid work experience for high school age students from the northeast part of Lake County, so like North Chicago, Waukegan, Zion. So this is a partnership between the Lake County Forest Preserve District and the College of Lake County. And this farm has been here for about 20 years, and College of Lake County is in charge of planting everything, hiring the youth farmers who work here, and doing all the programming associated with the site. The students get all different kinds of skills by working at the Green Youth Farm. For some of the youth farmers, this is their first job. For some youth farmers, they've had other jobs before. But really, like with any job, you get the soft skills of showing up on time, coming prepared to work, conflict resolution, communication. In addition, they get the more technical skills of the day-to-day operations of running a sustainable farm.
My name is Anthony Martinez. I'm 15 years old and I'm from Waukegan, Illinois. Some of the jobs we have are just like maybe to go harvest some plants or to cover crop. It's like we put stuff over crops so it can grow and stuff like that. I work with a great group of people and we all get it done together as a team.
My name is Gadiel. I'm 15 years old and I'm from Waukegan. I guess you could say the labor is kind of hard sometimes, but it's mostly relaxing, so you kind of forget about it and you kind of just zone into what you're doing. It's fun, you get to talk to people, get to meet new people. We get to have more experience. We have food safety training now technically. It's kind of easy once you get into the swing of things. You get to take stuff home sometimes.
While this partnership just started with the Lake County Forest Preserve District in June of 2023, we're starting small and we're really hoping to be able to grow this program significantly in 2024 to serve as a resource for area schools who want to come out and do field trips, for corporations and other partners who want to come out and do work days at the farm. And we're also hoping to eventually be able to grow upwards of 20,000 pounds of produce to provide access to high quality and affordable nutritious food grown right here in Lake County to Lake County residents. This project is made possible mainly through this partnership with the Lake County Forest Preserve District, but financially is supported by locally Lake County-based family foundations, which have generously chipped in to make this possible starting in 2023 and for the next 3 years. This project has also been supported generously by Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois, who is a national-based granting organization who have supported this project and its growth opportunities in the future.